hell are you?
Shh. Now isn't the time to worry about that.
Gentlemen, you look wonderful together. Show me your invitations and you can go enjoy the ball.
Crap. The invitation is under Ruby's and my name's. Alistair's won't match.
Relax. Leave it to me. We already showed you our invitations and you've already verified them. I think you simply forgot.
Yes, of course, sir. Please, come in. Is this some kind of mermaid magic?
See? Easy fix. Too many people. The target hasn't shown up yet. Honey, you're too tense. Since we're already here, why not enjoy the dance? May I have this dance? You